So today I'm going to install a FitCamx dashcam on a Lexus NX250 2024 model. So if you scan this barcode when you order it, it comes with a YouTube video that shows you how to remove the plastic fittings. So you need to remove, there's one on the other end, I'll show it to you. You need to remove this one first to expose the wiring, and then you need to remove this one, and then you remove some clips and you put it on here and here. Where is it? Over here. And then you clip it on. And I also purchased a backup camera. So one of these, oh, hold on, I forgot something to tell you. You need to pull out the connector. It looks like this. And this allows you to splice into this power and connect the cam to it. And then the other side connects to the backup camera, which is in this package. There it is. All right, so, and the memory for this is located on this side. All right, so when I was purchasing the vehicle, they offered this as an accessory on the Lexus website. It was $350. And they didn't have it in stock, and I had to order it, and then I have to go and get it installed by them. So I was looking at some forums on Facebook, and they said the FitCamx works really well. So I decided to purchase it. There's many variations. There's a front camera only, there's one with high def, and there's the one with high def and the backup camera. So I decided to get all of this. And I think it was less than around half the price of the Lexus one. So that's why I decided to try this one. So I'm going to install it and see how it goes. Okay, so I was able to get this to fit properly. This piece here and this piece comes in the box. So you don't need the other pieces, just put it aside for now. And then this clip piece here needs to go back on. And then the rear camera runs up inside here through the headliner. Right around here. And then along the headliner, you have to remove the rubber, the door rubber, to get to it. And then I removed the door rubber here as well to get it to pass around here, and did it the same for the back door. And let me show you what the back came out to be. So in the back here, I ran it along here, right, and then I bundled up the wire and I put about 10 feet inside this cavity here, right here. All right, and then I brought the wire out and I put it over here. Right, and I angle the camera so when you close the tailgate, it points to the road. And this wire, I made sure to put it on the inside of this wire. So when I close the tailgate, this wire doesn't come out here and get pinched over here. All right, so that's it. That's what the installation looks like. I don't like to do the back dash dash cam because it's such a hassle to run the wire, but came out pretty good. So far the quality of the cable and everything looks pretty good. It looks like a high quality system. So I guess I'll have to check what the recordings look like.